Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Is your espresso machine looking a little sad? Like it's missing its smile? Well, fear not, fellow coffee lovers, because today we're diving into the Alessi A9095, a 9095/6B handle black plus screw. Yes, that's the official, rather lengthy name, but trust me, this little guy packs a punch. This isn't just any handle, oh no. This is the upgrade your beloved Alessi espresso machine has been dreaming of. It's a top-rated, best-selling gem that countless coffee enthusiasts have already vouched for, and you can feel the quality the second you unbox it. First off, let's talk about the feel. This black handle has this fantastic, almost velvety texture that just feels right. It's substantial, not flimsy at all, and when you lock it into place, there's this satisfying, solid thunk that tells you it's secure. No more wobbly handles that make you second-guess your espresso-making prowess. Plus, the sleek black finish is just pure elegance. It instantly elevates the look of your machine, making it feel brand new again. And the best part? It comes with the screw, so you don't have to go hunting for a specific tiny metal friend. It's a complete package, designed to make your life easier and your coffee ritual smoother. Whether your old handle is showing its age or you just want to give your machine a little refresh, this Alessi replacement is the way to go. It's built to last, ensuring those perfect shots of espresso for years to come. So go ahead, treat your machine, and more importantly, treat yourself to a superior coffee experience. You won't regret it. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.